Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter garlic naan. First, gather your ingredients: all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, sugar, salt, yogurt, milk, and oil for the dough. For the garlic butter, you'll need melted butter, minced garlic, and fresh cilantro. Begin by activating your yeast in warm milk with a pinch of sugar for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Once your yeast is active, combine it with the flour, salt, yogurt, and a touch of oil in a large bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place it in an oiled bowl cover and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. After the dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal portions. Roll each portion into an oval or teardrop shape, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. Heat a cast iron skillet or tawa over medium-high heat. Cook each naan for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it puffs up and develops beautiful golden brown spots. Brush cooked naan immediately with the prepared garlic butter. Once your naan is cooked, brush it generously with the fragrant garlic butter. Garnish with fresh cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. Serve your warm, fluffy naan immediately with your favorite curries, dips, or as a delicious side to any meal. It's perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.